Charles is a service modeler who uses BMC Helix innovative blueprints to automatically build and maintain service models. The process begins by ingesting topology data from BMC Helix solutions, third-party monitoring tools, and other sources. This data is then normalized and reconciled across the disparate sources and stored in a graph database. The out-of-the-box blueprints automatically read the topology data to create and dynamically maintain business services for applications, hybrid cloud infrastructure, and networks. Using a Kubernetes blueprint, Charles is building a service model for a telco network-based application and now selects the targeted namespace. The action automatically builds an end-to-end service model that spans from the namespace through the network and across hybrid cloud infrastructure. All blueprints are reusable, and a single blueprint can be used to create hundreds of business services. Charles used BMC Helix Blueprints to quickly build a telco service, leveraging a Kubernetes blueprint, integrating software, servers, storage, and cloud resources. Dynamic Service Modeling offers 360-degree visibility across IT and telco networks, enabling service-centric operations.